Blue-Green Chengalpattu is an ambitious hydro effort aimed at reviving, restoring many water bodies across this district. With the district administration's permissions, E.F.I took on the task of reviving nearly 70 lakes. This is the Moongil Thangal, technically translates to the bamboo lake. Look at these overarching hills. Just beneath the hill is this beautiful cavity, large piece of land that we've now been able to define, structure and make this immense storage unit. More water is now held within this demarcated boundary because that's neatly, scientifically the depth that we have achieved. Just imagine the hill waters would flow down these slopes, reach further other tanks and finally into a river system. This piece of land would hold water for a meager 25-30 days. Now we've given its embankment proper structure. We've given this entire lake a definition. And take a look at this view. This is how this lake was as soon as we finished the earthwork. Now let me show you how this lake looks after the rains. And for some reason, we're not going to reveal where the Moongil Thangal is. Keep praying for this lake. Let this remain a blue-green paradise and not a future garbage dump. Its stories such as Moongil Thangal or the Kumili Lake or many other water bodies in the suburbs of Chennai, part of Chengalpet district that we are reviving, restoring. That is why we invite you, Vanga, let's volunteer. It is whatever to water forever.